Hey there everyone, Jason DePaola here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. And before I go on with my little video here, I'd just like to say, if you're viewing this on YouTube, if you see a little subscription button pop up in the corner here, please can you subscribe on that for me. I'm going to want to do a lot more content on YouTube, and I want to get on my subscriptions a lot more. So also while I'm here, I'm going to put a link onto my social media accounts. More likely it's going to be my Instagram account, because I've got to be on Instagram because everyone's on Instagram nowadays. So I've got a lot more content on there. So if I don't put stuff on YouTube, it's going to be on my Instagram account. So if you can click on the link there and follow me on that, I'd be most appreciated. I've got a lot more to do with hints and tips with fitness, strength and conditioning, nutrition, anything to do with that. So please go over there. I'll be most appreciated. So while I've gone through all that, I'm going to go on to my main topic today for my video. And if you're thinking about going into the gym and getting a resistance program, what I mainly do with most people is the movement patterns, like the squat, the deadlift / hinge, the row and the press. Okay, these should be the staple of mostly all resistance programs. Okay, but wait, I haven't said the exact exercises. Okay, these are just movement patterns. I haven't mentioned the exercises to go with those. Okay, so wait, so not everyone should be doing the barbell back squat, the conventional deadlift, or the seated row, or the military barbell press. You see it in the gyms all the time. Everyone's doing the same exercises. Okay, but wait, there is countless variations of exercises to do with those movement patterns. Okay, what you've got to do is think about what is good for you at the time of your fitness and strength and conditioning. Okay, some people are complete newbies and complete novices. They really shouldn't be going straight into doing back squats straight away. Okay, so let me take for instance those three I mentioned: the squat, the deadlift, hinge, and the row and the press. Okay, now the squat, okay, it's a generic term, the movement patterns, but like I say, barbell back squats, I wouldn't do those straight away with a newbie. Okay, let's do an air squat, or a goblet squat, or if you're a bit older and you've got not very good mobility and flexibility, let's think about doing a landmine lumberjack squat. It's much easier for your back. You're still going to be working all those muscles just as much. You're not going to have a lot of weight, but it's not going to compress on your spine either, and it's going to be much easier for you in the long run, and you can progress from there. Again, like the deadlift. Okay, I wouldn't do the conventional deadlift from the floor straight away. I will get someone doing a kettlebell, a deadlift from the hang position, and then go from there, and maybe doing an RDL, and then maybe going into a hex bar deadlift from there, and maybe from there do a sumo squat, a deadlift, okay, with a bar. Okay, so that you build it up. So there's lots of different variations for these movement patterns. Again, so the row, you don't have to go straight into a seated row straight away, or a bent over a row. Just think about doing a bent over single arm row or something like that. It's much easier for you to do. Again, military press. I see a lot of people do this. They go straight into barbell, do presses overhead because they're thinking they're working the shoulders. Now, I tend not to do that all the time. I like using the dumbbell because our shoulders really do not like having a barbell and going into a straight line all the time. Okay, our shoulder is like a spiral rotation. It can go in multi-axis and degrees. So I like using a dumbbell. And so if you have a shoulder impingement or shoulder problems, having a fixed plane or fixed movement with a barbell is probably not going to be a good movement for you straight away. So just think about that. So there's lots of different variations and countless exercises to do with these movement patterns. Just think what's good for you and for your resistance program. So if you're going straight into a gym and you don't know what you're doing, just ask someone. Email me, direct message me. I'm more than happy to help if you've got problems or you don't know what you're doing in the gym. Just come and just email, like I say. I'll be more than happy to help. So just think about that. So if you like this video and you're thinking about it, please, like I say, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please get me on Instagram, because there's a lot more hints and tips on that to do with my strength and conditioning, what I can do for you. And hopefully I shall see you on another video coming real soon. Cheers.